Hello everyone. Today is the day 7 of Spoken English Challenge, and yesterday we have completed day 6, and today is the day 7. I have some topics today to cover. Please tell me in the comment box if you have any queries. If you want some questions to ask from me, I will make sure that I am solving your all the queries if you have any questions. And I also expect from you that you are also doing practice on the daily basis for yourself, not for me, because it will going to improve your practice, your English, not mine. I am doing for myself. I am doing it for myself. I just is it's your turn now to improve yourself. Okay, so teach how to speak in front of mirror. The one habit I have talked in yesterday's video, that is to speak in front of mirror for at least 5 to 10 minutes. It means put any single topic and speak in front of mirror. Stand in front of mirror and start speaking about that. Anything, any random thing is coming in your mind. Don't just think so much about that. Just start speaking. Like if I give any example to you, so air. The topic is air. Let's suppose the topic is air. So we can speak. We can try that. Air is much precious thing given by nature to us. Air cannot be buy. It is the gift of God. It is the gift of nature, and it is, whether it is invisible, we cannot see it, but it is the thing which we can feel. This is thing is so much precious that without air anyone cannot take even breath. Without it the lives cannot be imagined. We cannot imagine the lives. Air is the mixture of so much gas, so many gases, several type of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane, ethane. We and these we have read all type of these gases in our science in the schools. Air, there are many types of air, just as like polluted air, clean air, pure air, right? Air becomes polluted by the pollution, and we spread pollutions by motor vehicles and and chimneys, and by the chemicals, by smoking. These are many reasons by which air becomes polluted. we need to take we need to take steps to clean air. We should not use we should not use the vehicles that are spreading too much smoke, right? That are spreading too much pollution. But now it is the time to shift on the electric vehicles, so that we can contribute to clean our air. So these type of things we can speak about, we can say, but at least talk, at least speak for 5 to 10 minutes. Only that is how you are going to improve, right? And it is, I have talked about extempore. Without any practice, you just take a topic, write that time, not you are preparing before that. But you can try this thing also, that you take a topic, try that you take a topic and do practice of that. Then you start speaking in front of mirror, and then you realize that how, where I am doing mistake. Is it in our body language? Is it in our face expressions? Which word should I express? which sentence should I express and where should I give a pause. So these type of things we can improve in by just speaking in front of mirror. Making videos in other is other good thing, but speaking in front of mirror improve immediately yourself, like you are talking with one another person. Okay, so you can do this practice. And another is reading. So how to read? Reading, speak loudly. Just read, just put a book and just take a book and start reading loudly. Like, I am going to show you how to read books. I have Now I have this book in my hand and I am going to show you how I read. First, I make sure that I am reading one paragraph fastly. That will improve my reading, right? And then I again read that paragraph slowly. And in the second repetition, I try to understand the words, try to understand the formation of sentence and what is the mean, what the message they want to convey, right? So I try, I revise 2 times of paragraphs. So I starting. Difficulties arise when we don't think of people and machines as collaborative systems but assign whatever tasks can be automated to the machines and leave the rest to people. This ends up requiring people to behave in machine like fashion in ways that differ from human capabilities. We expect people to monitor machines, which means keeping alert for long periods, something we are bad at. We require people to do repeated actions. We require people to do repeated operations with the extreme precision and accuracy required by machines, again something we are not good at. When we divide up the machine and human components of a task in this way, we fail to take advantage of human strengths and capabilities but instead rely upon areas where we are genetically, biologically unsuited. Yet when people fail, they are blamed. Okay, I have read one complete paragraph in fast mode. I am again trying to, I am again going to speak this paragraph in slowly. And now this time I am going to understand the meaning, what this paragraph want to say. Like, difficulties arise when we don't think of people and machines are collaborative systems. समस्याएं तब उत्पन्न होती हैं जब हम सोचते हैं कि लोग और मशीन्स एक साथ जुड़कर काम नहीं कर सकते. ओके, बट असाइन whatever task can be automated to the machines and leave the rest to people. और मशीन्स पे वो काम छोड़ दो जो कि ऑटोमेशन पे स्वचालित रूप से किया जा सकते हैं और बाकी सब लोगों पे छोड़ दो. मतलब कि वो काम मशीनों को करने दो जो कि स्वचालित हो सकते हैं, बाकी काम लोगों को करने के लिए छोड़ दो जो काम केवल लोगों को द्वारा किए जा सकते हैं. This ends up requiring people to behave in machine-like fashion. This ends up requiring people to behave in machine-like fashion in ways that differ from human capabilities. I'm not getting the actual meaning, the exact meaning of this sentence, but just you have taken a vibe how to read books. You can take help of Google Translate. I take so much help of Google Translate to do a lot practice, whether it is hard vocabulary in Hindi or English, whether I have to translate any English sentence to Hindi, any Hindi sentence to English, right? So by this you can practice of reading book. Okay, and I have given you one tip to improve your English, and that is making very simple sentences of your hard word you have learned today. Right? Have you Do you remember now? So if you don't remember, just go and watch my yesterday video, and I have explained that in my yesterday's video. So I want you to take action now. If you have heard, if you have read any hard words today, make sure you make very simple sentences. Make sure you are using that words in making sentences, and write them down in the comment box. Right? How? What will happen if you write that sentence in the comment? And that is, you are becoming committed to yourself. So commitment is very necessary, otherwise you will do procrastinate. You don't make sentences, and don't write in your notebook. So make sure that you are making sentences right now and writing that in the comment box. Okay, so that's, I think, all for today, and let's meet on the next day. Just see what happens tomorrow. Okay, best of luck, keep trying, keep practicing.